DSPy employs dataset loading and partitioning to prepare training, validation, and testing splits for model optimization. This utility-focused approach leverages the Hugging Face datasets library to fetch the pupa dataset variants, then structures the data into DSPy. Example, objects with specified input fields for downstream processing. We will now examine how the code initializes the dataset splits and configures the examples for use in the Papillon privacy-preserving delegation system. The implementation will demonstrate the creation of training, development, and test sets from the loaded data, ensuring proper segmentation for iterative model evaluation and refinement.
From datasets, import load dataset. Pupa TNB equals load dataset Colombian LP/pupa. Pupa TNB. Pupa new equals load dataset Colombian LP/pupa. Pupa new. Examples equals DSPy, example. Target response, X target response. User query, X user query. PSDR, X units. With inputs user query. For X in pupa new train. Train set, dev set, test set equals examples. 225, examples 225. 450, examples 450. Print loaded lentrain set training examples, lendiv set dev examples, and lentist set test examples.
This code demonstrates dataset preparation for training, validation, and testing in a privacy-preserving LLM pipeline. The pattern loads the pupa dataset, specifically the pupa new variant, and processes it into DSPy examples with 3 key fields: user query, target response, and PSDR. Each example is configured with user query as the input field, which is crucial for the Papillon system's privacy-preserving delegation workflow. The dataset is split into training 225 examples, development 225 examples, and test sets using simple array slicing. This approach ensures consistent data partitioning for model evaluation. The code prints the sizes of each split, providing transparency about the data distribution. This utility-focused implementation serves as the foundation for subsequent model training and evaluation steps in the Papillon pipeline. The design choice to use fixed splits rather than randomized partitioning suggests the dataset may have inherent ordering or that reproducibility is prioritized. This approach is common in experimental setups where consistent baselines are important. The code efficiently handles the dataset loading and preparation without additional preprocessing, assuming the raw data is already in the required format. Let's break it down.
From datasets, import load dataset.
Imports the load dataset function from the Hugging Face datasets library, which provides utilities for loading and working with machine learning datasets.
Pupa TNB equals load dataset Colombian LP/pupa. Pupa TNB.
Loads the pupa TNB dataset from the Columbia NLP pupa dataset collection using the load dataset function. The result is assigned to the variable pupa TNB, which will hold the dataset for further processing.
Pupa new equals load dataset Colombian LP/pupa. Pupa new.
Loads the pupa new dataset from the Columbia NLP pupa repository using the load dataset function, storing the result in the variable pupa new. This retrieves a specific dataset configuration for processing.
Examples equals.
Initializes an empty list named examples to store data samples. This list will hold the training or demonstration examples for the DSPy program.
DSPy, example.
Creates an instance of DSPy, example, which is a class used to represent a single training or evaluation example in DSPy. This line appears to be the start of defining an example with specific input-output pairs or other attributes, though the full parameters aren't visible in this segment. The example class typically encapsulates the data needed for demonstrating or testing a particular task or behavior in the DSPy framework.
Target response, X target response. User query, X user query. PSDR, X per units.
Creates a dictionary with 3 key value pairs. Target response, mapped to the value of X target response. User query, mapped to X user query. And PSDR, mapped to X per units. This appears to be extracting and renaming specific fields from the input dictionary X into a new dictionary structure.
With inputs user query.
Specifies that the input field named user query will be used as the input for this module or function. This method call configures the component to expect and process data from the user query parameter when executed.
For X in pupa new train.
Iterates through each element in the train key of the pupa new dictionary, assigning each element to the variable X in sequence. This is a standard Python for loop that processes each item in the collection referenced by pupa new train.
Train set, dev set, test set equals examples. 225, examples 225. 450, examples 450.
Splits the examples collection into 3 subsets using array slicing. The first 225 elements become train set. The next 225 elements indices 225 for 49 become dev set. And all remaining elements from index 450 onward become test set. This creates a 50-25-25 split ratio for training, development, and testing datasets respectively.
Print loaded lentrain set training examples, lendiv set dev examples, and lentist set test examples.
Prints a formatted string displaying the count of loaded examples in 3 datasets. The number of training examples from train set, development examples from dev set, and test examples from test set. The output follows the pattern loaded X training examples, Y dev examples, and Z test examples, where X, Y, and Z are replaced with the actual lengths of their respective datasets. The implementation demonstrates a clean pipeline for preparing privacy-preserving LLM training data using DSPy's utility-focused design. By leveraging Hugging Face's datasets library, it loads the pupa dataset variants and structures them into DSPy example objects with 3 key fields: user query as input, target response as output, and PSDR for privacy information. The fixed 50-25-25 split prioritizes reproducibility over randomization, which is particularly valuable for experimental baselines in privacy-sensitive applications like Papillon. The design choice to use simple array slicing for partitioning reflects an assumption that the dataset's inherent ordering is meaningful for the task, while the transparent logging of split sizes maintains clarity throughout the pipeline. This approach efficiently bridges dataset loading with DSPy's example format, creating a solid foundation for subsequent model training and evaluation in privacy-preserving delegation workflows.
The dataset loads its answers into examples, then pretends they were never there.